Today we're in a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Trailboss LT. Just going to go over some features on the steering wheel to show you what all is on here. With the LT Trailboss for 2021, you'll have the heated steering wheel, which is right there, your cruise control. On the back side of the wheel, you can't see this, but these are your channels. This will just go through your channels you have saved in there. And then the button behind here is your volume. This is your push to talk button if somebody's calling you, and you can push this button if you don't want to talk to them right now. But what we're really going to focus today is on this little gadget here. It's the driver information center, and this is the wheel that'll roll through your options. These are not buttons. There's a misconception. That's just telling you which way to roll your wheel. And this is the driver information center up here. Just kind of get the camera close to it. Anytime you see an arrow on the top, which is that little top arrow right there, that is letting you know there's another page to go to. By default, it'll show you how fast you're driving and how much fuel is left in the tank, estimated by your speed. The left corner at the bottom shows your compass. The middle is your odometer. And then right beside of that is your transfer case, just showing you what mode you're in. If you were to put this in four-wheel drive, I'll go ahead and put it in auto right now. It's going to tell you what it's doing, so there's really no way to break it. So I'll go back to put in two-wheel and continue some features on here. All right, so I'm going to go over. The I simply means information of what it's displaying. I went ahead earlier and turned everything on. And we're going to use that roller to show you all the things this one can show up. That's your range till empty, your oil life. This vehicle tells you when to change your oil based on where, not an actual miles, but based on how the oil's getting wore down. Your tire pressures. This one has the tire fuel alert, so if you do need to put air in your tires, you will get a beep if you're going to when to take the air off of it and stop. These display within 2 psi of what the actual instrument panel shows up to what's in the truck. As you can see on this side, you have this little dot going down that's telling you what page you're on. Air filter life, brake life. It shows you the pads in the front and the rear, which is great. So when you go to reset these components, you just reset this with the same middle roller button. Your timer for trip. To start the timer, anytime you have a little that says menu, that just means you're going to hit the little roller button on the driver information center. Engine hours, transmission fluid. Your trailer brake controller is integrated. That's going to show you what your gain for your trailer brakes are. And this is cool if you're doing off-road, and it shows you how the vehicle's angle is, what mode you're in. This right now showing a 1% off to the side there a little bit, and the blank page. So if I want to change these things, I just go to where it says home page options and info page options up here, and I pick what I want to change. If you don't want to see something on here, you want to clean it up, you can. I think it's cool to have everything showing, but let's say you don't want these on, you just simply hit the roller button and turn them on and off. That's all there is to it on there. And then your home page options, it's going to let you see the options for the home page. Like if you remember, it showed the speedometer and the fuel range, but if you want the time on there, for example, I can turn that on, and now when I go back to the home page, it's going to also show me what time it is. See in the right hand corner, it now says 11:04. That's something you can always change. It's just a nice little way to show you what's going on with the truck. Definitely thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day. Thank you.